Rivet, we've been having trouble with pirates, so we asked him to help because, you know, he's a big guy. But after a few days of totally crushing them, he just, broke.
Perhaps we could fix him.
You two look like you could straighten him out in a Molotov minute. But the path to him was destroyed in the last pirate raid, so you'll need a hurl shot.
Avast ahoy, yo-ho, yo-ho, our time has finally come. Let us plunder like mad and go break back, for the fixer is all but done.
Look here, mateys, this looks useful. In fact, I've a notion that it be crucial.
It's its fate has brought us together again, ma petite Rivet.
Guess fate really loves seeing you get your butt kicked, Pierre.
Ah! Yoo-hoo! Pirate mateys, attack! Of my hearties, our command ship is lost! Destroy it now! Will it be the expenses?
Are ye sure?
I suggest we abandon ship.
Suggestion noted!
It just hurts because I really thought I understood them. But I don't.
Oh, Mokey, I hate to see you handstand cry. It's impressive,